Hi, this is Mrs. Kalinicki. I'm going over the 3 IXLs that I want you to do for this unit, so pay attention and feel free to watch the videos again if you still struggle with these. Alright, this is J9. It's called unit rate. It says find the unit rate. 10 plants in 2 rows equals blank plants per row. The wording here is really key. Plants per row. The word per means divide, so I am going to divide 10 divided by 2 plants per row, and I'm going to get 5. And that is going to be the correct answer for this IXL. So again, lots of dividing. Next one says pages per day. So again, instead of plants per row, it'll be pages per day. There we go, pages per day. And again, I'm just going to divide in that order. Pages, 20 pages per 4 days. 20 divided by 4 is also 5. And there we go. All right, that's the first one. Okay, now we're on IXL J9. This is the first question. It's called Solving Proportions Word Problems. Troy prepared 8 kilograms of dough after working 2 hours. How much dough did Troy prepare if he worked 10 hours? Assume the relationship is directly proportional. Okay, again, solving a proportion. A proportion is a fraction which I am comparing 2 different fractions, and I'm comparing 2 different quantities. Here I'm comparing kilograms and hours. So in the problem, in one sentence, it says 8 kilograms, 2 hours. 8 kilograms, 2 hours. How much dough will he prepare if he worked 10 hours? Okay, so the other number I have is 10. Because it represents hours, it's going to go here in the denominator. And then I will have an x here in my numerator, because I don't know how many kilograms. When I cross multiply, I will get 2x, or 2 times x, equals 8 times 10, which is 80. And now all I have to do is solve this one-step equation by dividing by 2 on both sides, and I will get 40. Sorry, you can't see it. Yeah. I will get 40. There you go. Okay, so my answer here is 40 kilograms. Okay, let's do another one. Ryan walked 6 kilometers by making 2 trips to school. After 4 trips to school, how many kilometers will Ryan have walked in total? Okay, so this time I'm comparing kilometers with trips. That's the words that have been repeated more than once in this problem. Okay, so according to the first sentence, 8 kilometers, and I used 2 trips. The next sentence says I took 4 trips, so the 4 is going to go here in the denominator because it's where trips are, and an x will go here in the numerator. You're going to need scrap paper for this one. 2 times x is 2 times x, 2x. 6 times 4 is 24. Again, I'm cross multiplying. Then again, solving this one-step equation by dividing on both sides, and I get 12. Okay, so my final answer is 12 kilometers. Okay, that's the second IXL you're going to be working on. Okay, the third IXL you're going to be working on is called K1, which is finding the constant of proportionality from a table. This is very similar to unit rate. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the 2 values that are in your problem. This table shows the amount Alec earns from yard work depending on the number of hours he works. So I am comparing the amount that he earned based on the number of hours that he worked. So 2 hours he worked, he got $10. 3 hours he worked, he got $15. That's how you read this kind of table. How much money does Alec earn per hour? So again, I'm comparing 2 values and I'm going to be dividing. If you need help, take a look at the table. It has a value of y and a value of x. You're going to divide y always divided by x. And again, in this one it makes sense because it's how much did he earn, money, per hour. The money is the y value and the hours are the x value. It doesn't really matter which ones you divide. So I can either divide 10 divided by 2, and I will get 5. Or I can also divide 15 divided by 3, and I also will get 5. This should work if your table is proportional. So how much money did he earn? Let's see if I can get this. There we go. He earned $5 per hour. Okay, a second example. This table shows how the number of appetizer recipes Kendra knows depends on the number of weeks she attends culinary school. Okay, appetizer recipes Kendra knows, number of weeks, X, number of appetizer recipes, Y. Again, the key is Y divided by X. That will find the constant of proportionality. And again, doesn't matter which column you use. I always like the smallest one. 8 divided by 8, Y divided by X, or 19 divided by 19, Y divided by X. Either way, you should get the same value of 1. So your final answer for this guy is 1. All right, hope you watch the videos. Keep practicing. Bye.